The hardest thing with looking for the best American fridge freezer reviews is actually going out to the shops to see them. We're doing this for you. We're out shopping for fridge freezers and putting all of these videos into a playlist in the description. So you get to see loads of fridges from the comfort of YouTube. This is IKEA. It's the IKEA VINTERKALL 700 French door American style fridge freezer. It has 2 radar sensors to detect temperature changes, a built-in air purifier, fast cooling switch and fast freeze, plus exterior touch display. Let's listen in now for our best IKEA American fridge freezer first impressions review. Okay, this is the IKEA VINTERKALL 700 fridge with freezer. We're looking at it in the UK, so I don't know where you'd be looking at this in the world. But we'd not really considered IKEA as a brand, had we, for our American style fridge freezer. Obviously it's made by someone else, don't know who yet, and there's no handles on it. I like handles, and I like handles being here, but it looks like you grab from under here to open. Oh, and is it a double? It's a double door. It's one of the double doors. It's a French doors. Got French doors.
Cut some cheese.
What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah, I love that.
So we've got generous number of shelves. So 3 on the left, 3 on the right, but the depth isn't quite as deep as a Samsung Space Max. Let's take a look inside.
No shelf here.
Yeah, it's no shelf. So there's.
We're done with another shelf.
Yeah. Well, I suppose does this count as a shelf? This plastic thing on top.
Maybe, but there's quite a lot of space. You just put very deep items. It's not often you put the whole lot in there.
Yeah. And then there are 3 shelves. I like the brushed chrome thing at the back, because a lot of fridges don't have that. It's just plastic at the back, isn't it? And it looks as if it does something. It covers the cooling system, and then we've got, I don't know, these lights. What a weird logo. What does that mean? Drop a comment down below if you know what this is. Some weird iconography there. I guess they're the lights, but I don't know what the sign means.
No squeaking.
Oh yeah.
Quite like you can just push it back. But...
And it's nice they display it with stuff inside, isn't it? And then we have
There's quite a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And then we have the humidity settings, cold drinks, dry goods, or fruit and veg. And then we have the humidity on this side, which is either low or high. Nice green display there. It's jolly, isn't it? We haven't even looked at the freezer section yet.
Easy access. Quite easy access.
Yes.
Compared to the long ones.
Yeah, the long ones block these doors. So although you don't have a shelf at the bottom here, that's good design, isn't it? Because you can actually open the drawers with the fridge door at 90 degrees. Usually it bumps up against it and you have to really peel the door back. I love the colour of it. It reminds me of that really expensive Samsung fridge we saw. Oh yeah, so it's got the mechanism. I don't know if you can see there's like a bar in the middle there, and that bar moves when you open the door. It's a bit annoying having to open it from underneath, but look, you see the door kind of comes into play like that. What, the door? You think the door's heavy? I'll try it.
I'm not sure why, but it's making a rattling sound when you open it. I suppose it's the stuff that's
Yeah, with the
in
bottles.
doorway.
Yeah, the bottles do. So we've got some 341 litres, but it doesn't say as the energy F rating. It doesn't say here what the litres are. I'll put the litres for the fridge and the freezer on screen. Now, let's open the freezer section. Oh, drawers. Oh, look at this. There's a clear sliding drawer.
Let's see what's beneath.
I like that.
IKEA meatballs.
You can put all your veggie balls and IKEA meatballs. There's another drawer here. So there's like a lip here, a lid. No, lip for the lid. You can even see behind it.
It's very scratched. It gets very scratched, the surface.
Yeah.
You can see already it's quite scratched.
That's the thing with IKEA showrooms, isn't it? You actually get to see what would happen after a couple of years from everyone just opening and closing it. Like there's kind of runner wheels here. Ooh. So you can take them out. Oh yeah, there's a crack there. But you can take them out, so if they're not right for you, you could just put them in the garage, I guess. And they've got vents here. I guess that allows the cooling in. Maybe it keeps it colder longer, so you don't lose so much cold. I don't know.
The things you use the most on the top.
Right, quick access, like ice cubes. Donk. And there's a display. Obviously we can't see what it looks like, but I guess that shows you the temperature of the top section, bottom section. Don't know what that is. And child lock for setting the temperature. Maybe that sets the temperature.
There's an alarm as well.
Oh yeah.
It goes off.
Right, so it's got, yeah. So LED lights, touch control, door alarm, temperature alarm and fast freeze. Should we do one more? Look. Oh, I keep reaching for that. I'd keep doing that, I think. I think that rules it out for us.
You just get used to it after a while.
You would, but I think that rules it out for us.
For a French door one, it seems
Good value.
quite good value.
Yeah, it's very good value for a French door, fridge freezer, American style. I've seen some of them called American French fridge freezers. I love this though, because usually this looks just a bit horrible and metallic or plastic, but they've got like chrome look fittings there, which is really nice. Yeah, it's very luxurious, isn't it? It feels very premium, doesn't it? So overall score out of 10, what would you give this for what we're looking for? Oh, tough choice. 7.
6.5, 7.
6.5 or 7. I'd call it 7. Yeah, I'd call it an 8. I like the colour. I like the French doors. But I'm not so keen on seeing the cracked shelves. They do look like, I mean, they're all cracked, don't they? But it'd be good to know that it wouldn't crack so quickly. So this is the VINTERKALL 700 freezer from IKEA, American style fridge freezer.
Some small child probably sat on it.
If this video is helping, thanks for hitting the thumbs up button, and all of our best American fridge freezer shopping reviews videos are in the playlist in the description and on screen now.